Brittany with WTI, and I love being outdoors, listening to music, and being able to see at night. And that's why this Coleman 360 sound lantern is perfect for me. This connects so easily by Bluetooth to my phone. You can play anything you want then on the go while you're camping in your backyard at a picnic. The name suggests it's 360. You can hear sound from all the way around. It's got 3 brightness settings and also controls up here where you can play, pause, turn up the volume, turn down, and make sure the Bluetooth connection is on. It is so easy to charge, to carry with you. It's not that heavy. It's got a nice little handle. A simple thing to have in your camping gear, in your home, wanting to hang out in the nighttime. I think this is an absolute must-have for any outdoorsy music lover like myself. And that's my point of view.